25 important prepositions along with simple examples for each. 1. About. She is talking about her vacation. 2. Above. The plane flew above the clouds. 3. Across. He walked across the street. 4. After. We had lunch after the movie. 5. Against. The cat is leaning against the wall. 6. Along. They walked along the riverbank. 7. Among. She found her book among the others. 8. Around. They ran around the playground. 9. Before. She arrived before the party started. 10. Behind. The car is parked behind the building. 11. Below. The fish are swimming below the surface. 12. Beneath. The treasure is buried beneath the tree. 13. Beside. The cat is sleeping beside the fireplace. 14. Between. He stood between his two friends. 15. Beyond. The mountains are visible beyond the lake. 16. By. She painted a picture by herself. 17. Despite. Despite the rain, we had a great time. 18. Down. The ball rolled down the hill. 19. During. We played games during the party. 20. Except. Everyone came, except for Sarah. 21. For. She bought a gift for her friend. 22. From. He received a letter from his grandmother. 23. In. The keys are in the drawer. 24. Inside. The cat is hiding inside the box. 25. Inter. They jumped into the pool. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. SunWheelAcademy. Content is prepared by Chakra.